New toy. Uh-huh.
The new to...
Yeah.
New to me.
Pretty much pristine, just a little scratch on the side, that's it. I want 15,000, I know what I got.
Pretty much bare.
If you don't really
beat up.
There's a little scuff right here. I think you got like they ripped you off.
Nothing a little rattle can can't fix right there.
Some spray paint. Alright,
let's get this thing unloaded. Part one of the gonna be very long rebuild process for the Bullet is the new shell. Got a new chassis. This is, if you got, for the OGs in the channel, this one is one we bought a long time ago with the anticipation that I was going to put a brand new, better cage and make this a 2.0 lighter car. That was the plan. We never got around to it because we just kept racing, kept having fun. There was just no need to take the car apart. Now that I don't have an engine, there is a need.
A very big need.
A very big need. Oh, and by the way, welcome to the Bullet headquarters.
What's the name? What's the name? Oh, damn.
Name pending.
Oh, my goodness.
I do have some thoughts, but this is actually my shop. Welcome to the shop. My business is actually running in the office, and we're going to be using this shop space to do some pretty fun and cool things. I've been given the official tour because we're still putting some stuff in place. I got a lift on the way that we need to install, and yeah, we still moving in and getting some things. And it's nice to have a little place of your own here. But yeah.
I'm just a wild rabid dog at the shop. He keeps me around in a cage in the back. Sometimes he lets me out for water.
Water and some kibbles.
Some kibbles.
Yeah, we're gonna wash it at least 3 or 4 more times.
You mean you?
No, I mean you, really. That's what I really mean.
Well, I'm gonna be busy with other cars.
I hope this doesn't trigger a lot of F-body people, but we didn't do a very good job of taking the cell panel off the right way, so...
We tried, we really did.
We tried a whole 5 minutes, and then we just started tearing it off.
I feel like that was the longest 5 minutes of my life, though. I'm about to get hefty with it.
If you're wondering why we're taking the top off, it's because we have to cut this whole T-top section off. Yes, we are getting rid of the T-tops, and we're going hard top because the cage that I got is a high and tight cage, so it's required for the T-top section to be cut out. We're gonna lay a hard top over it. Gone are the days of T-top. It's a 25 cage anyway. It's not like I'm gonna be using T-tops much to begin with anyways, but it just is what it is. We'll get a nice carbon fiber top or something to make it look nice. Gosh.
There it goes! Ah!
You want to take that home too to sell it for scrap?
Hey, I can make at least $1 off of that.
Yeah, I'm sure you can. I'm sure.
I'm good at that. I gotta get off these little pieces. Ooh, you fucking scared me. It's not that heavy. It's not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be.
What's today?
Lift day.
Lift day.
Lift day, dog.
You gonna get your lift on today?
I'm gonna be lifting, you know.
Let me see. Let me see.
I don't know why we got a forklift. I could have lifted this.
Lift it.
I could have easily. I could have taken this on.
Let me see.
Yeah, this bitch is heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy, dude.
I got it. Watch.
Dude, you gotta throw your back out, bro. You can't even get it off the ground.
Oh, fucking heavy.
You ready to install a lift?
Me?
Yeah.
I thought you were buying a guy.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. Definitely not doing that. Oh, roll out the red carpet, why don't you?
It doesn't want to. It doesn't want to. Bullet. He's coming
Old
back.
school logo. We gotta make one with a new logo.
This is the first one you made, right?
Yeah.
Damn.
The OGs in the channel will remember.
Damn. It's early in the morning for this. Bullet. Where do you want this? High up?
Somewhere up here. I would say up here, starting in the corner.
Okay, cool.
We're probably gonna need a ladder, which we don't have.
Do we have a ladder?
We do not. Have to get it from the house.
All
Right, so the Trans Am, we've been addressing some of the surface rust issues. I'm still waiting on my glass guy to come by. And we started cutting out the trunk area. This Rock Solid Motorsports makes this little neat, pretty neat trunk delete panel. So pretty nice little kit, sits right in place there, kind of tells you what to do. And this weekend we'll probably start cutting off like that, the top, and also the tubs, because we're gonna mini tub it just like the other car. Chris, Saturday morning over here at Piston Head's garage. Andy, we've got the Trans Am all hooked up. Free 99, huh? Alright, so it's begun. We started pretty much cutting the shit out of this car. I've already started doing that with a little bit of the trunk delete. Shout out to Rock Solid Motorsports. They got a fabulous trunk delete that fit in there perfectly. And oh my god! First piece. So with the cage, the reason we're cutting the top, the cage that I bought, the 25.3 high and tight cage, is meant to be high and tight. So you have to delete the T-top, the inner, the outer, and then you're gonna get basically like a top that's gonna glue on the top with some rails, and that'll be it. So we're converting from T-top to hard top.
After the backstream recording. But yeah, this looks pretty good now.
Nice and clean.
Rough on the edges, but it's good.
Instead, we're cutting the shit out of it. That's what we're doing. You body guys are always pulling on metal like that. So you body guys are always tugging on metal like that.
Cause we like clean cuts.
So that's pretty much it. I left the car over at Andy's. I'm gonna go over this weekend and hopefully wrap it up with him and get it done so we can get it over to the cage guy, get it back here, and start putting all the parts in it, the good stuff. In the meantime, we do have a little bit of work. Got the lift installed, and we got our first job in. for the next video, and we'll go over all the details on this thing.